Hi everyone! In this video, we'll set up auto-forwarding for Discord. The goal is simple. Messages from one channel go to another channel automatically. First, make sure your Discord bot is already inside the server. You'll use this bot to send the forwarded messages safely. Open the bot section. This is where the bot token lives. Here's the key part. Copy the bot token and keep it private. Now go back to the app and paste that token into the bot setup screen. Once the token is in place, add the Discord bot. Nice, the app confirms the bot was added successfully. Now we can create the actual forwarding rule. Choose Discord to Discord because we're sending from one Discord channel to another. On the task screen, give the automation a simple name. Then choose Discord bot as the sender type. This is the recommended option for reliable, automatic forwarding. Select the bot you just connected. In this demo, both channels are in the same server, but in real use, they can be in different servers too. Private channels also work, as long as the bot has access. For the source, paste the channel link or channel ID. The app discovers the server and shows the available channels. Here, I'm adding multiple source channels. That means new messages from either source can be forwarded. Now move to the target field and choose the destination channel. This is where the copied messages will arrive. Now create the task. Great, the forwarding rule is active. Opening the task shows 2 source channels and 1 target channel. Now let's test it for real. I'll send a message in one source channel first. Here goes the first test message. And there it is. The bot posts it into the target channel. Now let's test the second source channel. I'll send another message from source demo. Nice, that message also arrives in the target. Replies are supported too, so the forwarded message keeps the context. The reply shows up through the bot on the target side. Now let's try something more visual, like a sticker. Perfect, the sticker is forwarded as well. Here's another useful detail. Message changes stay in sync. If a source message is removed, the forwarded copy updates too. And when a source message is edited, the target message updates with it. So your channels stay connected automatically. And just like that, your Discord forwarding bot is ready. That's it. See you next time.